Really? I forgot? How'd I do that? All right. Well, Sir Moose-a-Lot tells me that I forgot to tell you some farm words. All right. Well, let's cover them, shall we? We got goose, 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 goose. We got frog, 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 frog. Right, Moose-a-Lot? Yes, Sir Moose-a-Lot said I got it right. Good. And then we got bee, B-E-E, bee. And then, well, how do we say bee? B-E, bee. That's right. And then we have duck, D-U-C-K, duck, duck, duck. What else? Well, that's a good question. Sir Moose-a-Lot, what are the ones that I forget? What's that? Uh-huh. Well, yeah, I got that one. Well, okay. Uh-huh. A mouse. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-ouse, mouse. Uh-huh. What's that, Sir Moose-a-Lot? Well, yeah. Well, I was going to show them that because they're the new addition to the farm. All right. Well, come on with me. I'm going to show you an addition that we just got to the farm. They just arrived. Let's go say hello, shall we? Well, here's what I wanted to show you. Come take a look. We got a new addition to the farm. Say hello to the kids out there. All right. Do you know what those are called? Bern said it. See? No, they're not chickens. They're called chicks because they're baby chickens. A baby chicken is a chick. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. Ch-ick, chick. That's right. Well, that's it for this time. Don't forget, keep studying, keep practicing. You're doing great. I'll see you next time. For now, I'm Farmer Dan. Stay happy.